One of them is in Ogo District, Ward 2, Umuzi Wabantu municipality, when our area manager encountered a car accident which delayed the opening of all the voting stations within Ward 2. The other one in eThekwini municipality, we had a situation in Ward 68 in your very Tongat areas, where the supplier that was supposed to provide us tents decided to subcontract, and the subcontractor then was late at the voting stations, which resulted in those voting stations not opening on time. The one area that we are aware of at the moment that has been affected by community protest is Ward 5 in Umzimkhulu municipality, where our voting stations opened late because the area managers were affected by the community protest that was going on in the area. Other than those areas, some of the things that have been reported, for example, where people were saying they are given 2 ballots instead of 3 ballots, we have since verified that those stories were not accurate, but we follow through everything that gets reported through our NEF Center to check the veracity of those claims or allegations that are being made. We will remain open until 5 p.m. today. We are also conducting home visits until 9 p.m. today. If we do not find you at home and you were on the list of pre-approved special votes, unfortunately you are not able to go to the voting station today or tomorrow to vote, because you will be turned back because you are not on the list of people that have been pre-approved for special votes today. Your only recourse is that you can go to the voting station on election day, because we'll have evidence that you haven't voted and you will be allowed to vote.